Greeting ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dwi Mulya Utomo. This is my presentation of my article, An Analysis of Student-Teacher Pedagogic Competence in Performing Micro-Teaching. My presentation will be in order from introduction, review of related literature, research method, findings and discussion, and finally conclusion. First is my introduction. Background of the study of my article are first, the importance of education. Education is the main way of human evolution to pass down the knowledge to the new generation. The one who teach the new generation or students are teachers. Teachers are very important aspect in education. In order to get a good education, it needs a good educator or teacher. And every teacher needs to learn teachers' competences. One of the way to learn teachers' competence is to study in university. Micro-teaching is one of the way to teach student-teacher how to teach in class. Micro-teaching also helps student-teacher prepare before they teach in real school at the internship program. With that background, this research is focused on student-teacher pedagogic competence in micro-teaching. Next is previous study. The first previous study is from Yuyun Hendereti and Nyayu Lulu Nadia 2017. A study on the evaluation of teaching practice program at Faculty of Teachers Training Education University of Tridinanti, Palembang. In this research, there are a lot of similarity that I picked from this research for the evaluation aspect. And then the second one is from Mardia Hirahman in 2014, Professional Competence, Pedagogical Competence, and the Performance of Junior High School of Science Teacher. I picked this previous research because there are a lot of definition of pedagogical competences which is crucial for my research. And then the third and final one is from Muhammad Amir Dar 2013, Learning Skill Through Micro-Teaching and Its Impact on Teaching Competence. In this research, there are a lot of stress on the micro-teaching and its impact on teaching competence. There are a lot of definition in this research about micro-teaching that I picked from to my research. This is the pedagogic competence that set by the government, and I will explain this in depth in the discussion. The research method of my article is first is the research design is qualitative research. Setting of the study is student teacher of Pekalongan University. The place setting was at B building, third floor in micro-teaching room. The data and data source is from video recording and the source is from the student-teacher performance in micro-teaching. Technique of analyzing the data. After I gathered all the data, I reduced the data because there are a lot of similarity, and from the 35 participants, I will reduce it to 10, and it is representative of the whole participant. After that, I will display the data in table form, and then finally I conclude the data. First is understanding of the student. This is based on pemahaman terhadap peserta didik. The scoring on this area is if the teacher able to adjust the material to the student level of understanding proven by asking multiple times or more than twice, questioning to the student and managing the student's response. And the score B if the teacher is able to adjust material of the student understanding by questioning the student once or twice. And C if the teachers only asks and not only once and not changing his or her teaching dynamic. And then 2 is class management. This is important because teachers need to arrange their teaching from start to finish, from introduction, opening, and then the main study, review of today's and closing. And if they will get score B if the teachers manage to adequately arrange, but there is some hesitancy at the middle of their teaching. And score C if the teacher is unable to manage to teaching the arrangement but still manage to teach the main study. The third one is interactive teaching. It's from pelaksanaan pembelajaran yang mendidik dan dialogis. Score A if the teacher able to greatly interact with the student throughout the teaching process so that the teaching flow more ease to the student. Score B if the teacher is able to talk or interact with student but not much. Score C if the teacher is able to talk to the student once or twice but not actually have any interaction. To get a score of interaction, the teacher need to have a response from the students. If the student is not respond to the teacher, is not count as a response or interactive teaching. The fourth one is media, teaching media. Score A if the teacher using more than one media and the media helps student to accommodate the material and more in depth also easy to understand. Score B if the teacher is only using one media to accommodate the material. Score C if the media that the teacher use or bring is not used properly. The evaluation. Score A if the teacher is able to evaluate today's lesson and draw some conclusion of today's lessons. Score B if the teacher only able to evaluate today's lesson on the few points but not all. Score C if the teacher is unable to make evaluation of today's lesson. This is the result of on my research. The understanding of the student, there are 3 that get A, 6 that get B, 1 that get C. Class management, 5 that get A, 5 that get B, and 0 that get C. Interactive teaching, 3 that get A, 4 that get B, 3 got C. Media, 4 got A, 5 got B, 1 got C. Evaluation, 2 get A, no one get B, and 8 got C. And this is the conclusion and suggestion on my research. The writer finds that the most of the participant problem are time management, proving by 8 of them got C and no one got B. Only 2 got A. With that, the writer suggests there will be a timer only for the teachers to remind them that the time that have during teaching is almost over. It can be in form of clock behind the student so the teacher can see, or a timer for the teacher at their desk. And then the writer also suggests that the participant need to bring various media to make student more engaged, because media can affect to other score. For an example, in participant 2 case, because of he brings song as media that most of students like and gets a lot of engagement, and also able to evaluate in a way that student can relate because most of the students know and like the song or media. The media aspect can also elevate many area, not just in the media itself. So it is very important to student teacher to bring various media that engage a lot with the students. That is it from my presentation. My name is Dwi Mulyo Utomo. Thank you for listening.